morning, Southside, and happy Thursday. Today is December 4th, and for lunch today, we have cheese or chicken quesadillas. We've got refried beans, corn, salsa, all the fixins for that. If that's not your jam, that's okay too. We also have a turkey and cheese sandwich or a turkey, ham, and pizza lunch kit choice. As always, you've got Miss D here, and
I'm Miss Levesque from 4th grade.
All right, and we are here to kick off your wonderful day. So let's go ahead and stand up and say the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And please join us for a moment of silence. All right, well, you guys, it is already Thursday.
I can't believe it.
Which is kind of crazy to think about.
Right.
So already Thursday, which means we are that much closer to finding out our estimacy. So if you guys remember, we are estimating how many items we brought in here at Southside for our canned food drive last year. And it was a lot.
It was a lot. You all were very giving and very, very kind to our community of Woodford County.
That's right. And so giving, Miss Levesque, so giving.
I know. That sounds like a certain...
So giving. It really
something.
Does. So we've given you some clues so far. So we told you it was a 4-digit number. And we told you that 2 of the digits are actually identical. So the exact same number, just in different places within that number. And then the last clue we gave you was that those 2 digits that match each other are equivalent to half of 10. Which means
you can find that a couple ways.
You can find that out a couple of ways. So, Miss Levesque, how could they find out what that number might be? What could they do to figure that out?
Well, for our older students, you could always try and multiply 10 times 1/2.
Ooh,
I know that. 5th grade started fractions today or yesterday.
Did. Yes.
And then if you cannot figure out multiplying by 1/2,
right,
you can divide by 2. You
can do it.
Or you can find numbers that add together to make 10.
You totally can do all of those things. And I have an update about what we're saying.
Oh my goodness.
This number that we're sitting here talking about that I really hope you guys have figured out by now, because these are great strategies to figure it out.
And I think they're smart enough to know.
I think they're totally smart enough. Well, this number is actually the very first digit of the number. So it is when you look at this number, it is the very first digit that you see. So I'm going to lead you even farther. That's going to be in the thousands place. So take this and run with it. Hopefully you can figure out our estimacy. So best of luck. We will be revealing tomorrow. We might be generous, kind, giving, and give you another clue before we do the official reveal. But this is definitely leading you even closer. So speaking of giving,
yeah,
I'm feeling very in a generous spirit.
Is it just the season, or is it something within us?
I feel like it's the season, but I also feel like we truly encapsulate this feeling.
I think so
giving
too.
And special announcement.
Attention, everyone, all Southside teachers and students.
And all of the fabulous House of Altruismo, obviously. On Friday, we have waited so long. We have had Isabindi Day.
Yep.
We have had Amistad Day.
And River Day.
And River Day. It's time to have
Altruismo Day!
So, there is a good reason. Not just because we're awesome.
No,
I mean,
right.
we're awesome.
We are.
But
So great.
on Friday, it is our Giving Friday. So, actually, throughout all of the nation, they celebrated Giving Tuesday, but we had an NTI Day, so it was perfect for us to celebrate this Friday. And the purpose of this day is to really put everyone in the giving spirit. So we encourage you, if you haven't already, to give to these amazing drives that are going on here at our school. Now, Miss Lebeck is a 4th grade teacher. The Veterans Drive concludes
on
when?
Friday.
That's what I thought. So this will be the last day we can give to the Veterans Drive, and our canned food drive is continuing on through Friday. So we want to encourage all of you to give your heart out on Friday for Giving Friday. Bring in those cans to support our canned food drive, or bring in those supplies for the veterans. And just a reminder, those supplies that they can bring, Miss Lebeck, are?
They can bring journals and pens, any kind of really small, like stuffed animal. Socks are a really good one.
Yes.
If you can find a small blanket, they really like that. And then any sort of toiletry items, shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, deodorant are pretty much what they're looking for.
That's right. And we are so thankful for all you have given already up to this point, whether it's the Veterans Drive or the canned food drive. You guys really already have been in the giving spirit. So we are very grateful for that. But we encourage you to do that on Friday. If you can't bring items, that's okay too. You can give things of yourself. So you can give your time. So giving time to other people, letting them know that you love them, giving them those affirmations or those compliments are always going to go a really long way. And really just giving your kindness on Friday. So we want to encourage all of you to wear all of our Altruismo colors of black on Friday. That's tomorrow. So dress in black to represent Rismo and our giving spirit here at Southside. All right. Well, you know, we love to see you be givers, and we also love to see you be
safe, respectful, and responsible.
And
it's always a great day to be a Southside Stallion. Bye!